Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on XRP Ripple discussion, price analysis and technical details, 21st of September 2023, looking for discovering the most important things. In the meantime, make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel, check out our live trading, bot trading videos where we perform at all sorts of levels, including educational materials. So for those of you that are interested to join our bot trading that we do for our closed community, make sure to watch this video till the end. No prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, and the commission is paid by you every 7 days. We do the trading completely outsourced to the bot. Now what's happening, folks, with Ripple? XRP is having a great time, by the way, performing on 5.94% for the past 7 days, which is currently the second best compared to with the exclusion of Toncoin that is not in this case scenario. We're actually looking for, after Solana, having the best momentum in the market, driven by all sorts of banking news correlated with XRP. We do have a great momentum, it seems like, and this is just beautiful. So let's talk about the charts for our candlesticks. This is where we are. Now the first thing is we have a volume weighted average price, and this is the cloud you see with an upper line, median line, and a lower line over there. The cloud starts basically from the SEC's Ripple's case when we had the major pump on that winning situation happening on, what was that, around 13th of July 2023. So since that, we were able to retrace, and we have completely retraced it. We have been fully retracing on the whole pump, which is normal. I mean, you are not supposed to visualize this as a bearish indication or as something that represents a weak cryptocurrency. It's not about that, folks. It is most likely about the nature of such market reactions that are totally out of the context of the market sentiment that is overall. So if you have Bitcoin bearish along the way with the whole market, and you have some great news for a cryptocurrency like XRP, XRP is going to move against the momentum of the market. It will pump. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, it's not. Because there is a contextual situation for XRP, and once the contextual situation ends and people involved into that are starting to do their sell-offs, plus the market sentiment begins to dominate the price action, the market reverses back to the original point. This is happening in dozens of cases with all the cryptocurrencies that are having a healthy behavior. You might not enjoy this, you might not like that, but this is the technical representation of a logical, healthy way of acting. So this is the way the structure of trading in a philosophy type of movement is acting. Unfortunately, right now, we're still under the volume weighted average price. The lower part of the cloud is showcasing a resistance to us in the past couple of hours, and we're actually coming after a slight increase here in the price. It's around 15%, which is not little at all, and that's representing a good time, I believe. So from 1.618 Fibonacci level, which has already acted twice on a great support, we do have a very, very strong demand level, and the supply is actually appearing basically at this time, right? So that's where the supply appears on the gray line on round number 1 Fibonacci. That's where we have to deal on 0.61% with selling pressure if we get over there, along the way with the median line, the blue line of the volume weighted price. So this is something that we definitely need to consider, that any breakout right now, the structure is going to find resistance around the 60 up to 64 cents level. Meanwhile, if we go downside, just like the whole crypto market is most likely portraying to move, then we should expect the 1.618 support and 45 cents. And then especially with this trending line that we have here continuing downwards, that is supposed to help us and react at the time we touch that. We have many other ones as well on different time frames that could represent a possibility of touch, yet they're not portrayed here. So that's something else. Now the CRSI is representing a domination of the bears. Unfortunately, in the past hours, it is climbing downwards and forming a downtrending movement. Meanwhile, the Andean oscillator at the end of the day is most likely undecided. even though within this couple of moments we see a bearish acceleration, and it is trying to fall into that sector. This is happening right now with XRP. Now, you should not be bothered about the current situation of the price unless you do day trading, which is something you're not doing at technicals and 4-hour candlesticks. You're falling into the minute sector for that specific activity of time frame. And overall speaking, if you're asking me, based on the fractional representation of XRP, based on the way the current economical context looks like with the banking, with a system that are aiming to put together centralized cryptocurrencies in order to accelerate the blockchain movement, and that is beneficial basically for the current system of the banking, for the current banking system along the way. If we are putting together the great numbers which are at the moment adding towards the XRP project, then in the next bull run the double digits will be a mark that I see as a target, which means that from 50 cents we are right now, $10 would be a 20x, and this is not excluded at all. I mean, I don't want to call this not excluded because that might sound on a low probability. I would say that the $10 possibility on the table is having great chances in the way the charts are portrayed. In the way, just like the other cryptocurrencies have moved very strongly in the past, XRP is here to make the difference in this bull run. That's it for today, guys. Looking forward to it. Have a good time. We'll talk to you soon. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check out our one-on-one education. This is very important, including the our AI bot trading for those of you that are interested. No upfront fees, only commission from the pure profits made. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. On the left side of our page, you see our performance. On the right side, how you can join. By the way, you can contact me or complete a form. The link is in the description area and comments area. You see, there is no fancy sales page around or copywriting trying to manipulate. This is done only for our very close circle. At the same time, the coaching, just like I mentioned, if you care about your education, if you want to improve your skills because you would like to improve your performance, have an extra source of income, get into the part-time or full-time trading, doesn't matter. It's important to make profits from it, which means you need to get yourself educated at a very high level. No time to make mistakes, no time to waste it at all. Looking forward to it. Find out more, register now, have a good time, qualify for a free conversation with me, and we talk to you soon.